How much do you know about NFTs?
Nothing. I know it's an initial for something.
Are you ready? Hey everyone, my name is Esteban with Skillshare, and NFTs are all the rage, so we decided to come to Austin, Texas to find out if people actually know what they are. This is the game show we're calling, Do You Know Your NFTs? First question, $1, you get it right. What does the acronym NFT stand for?
Non-fungible transactions. Non-fungible transfers.
Non-fungible tokens.
Tokens. Did it.
Non-fungible token.
Ooh. First off, we're allowing that. This is yours.
This is a fungible one.
What's non-fungible mean?
I'd like to think it means it cannot be replicated. This is one of a kind. That's non-fungible.
Look at that. You're coming in
Number two.
with that false humility. You're like, gosh, I don't know. And then you're hitting it.
Yeah.
All right, that's good. What does it mean to mint an NFT? Is it A, to sell an NFT, B, to purchase an NFT, C, to convert a digital file into a digital asset, or D, when an NFT is certified minty fresh by the Rotten Tomatoes? Rotten Tomatoes is like expanding their empire.
C, convert. That one sounded the most complicated. That's why I picked that one. Yeah.
You're absolutely right. It's converting a digital file into a digital asset, which means it can be traded or bought via cryptocurrencies on a digital marketplace.
Awesome.
A lot of times people are like, NFTs are like crazy money, but 55% of the NFT sales are under $200.
This is good to know because I feel like a lot of people don't know this. I represent the people that are just sitting in the back, kind of listening,
I'm
not
here.
participating.
That's an important demographic. Which cryptocurrency is the most popular for purchasing NFTs?
I think I know the answer, but go ahead.
Okay, Dogecoin, Bitcoin,
Bitcoin.
Ether,
No.
Pitcoin, which is Pitbull's digital cryptocurrency.
No, Bitcoin. In fact, I actually just asked our NFT expert at our NFT panel the other day, and he is the one.
Wait, you were on an NFT panel? How much do you know about NFTs?
Very little.
You were at South by Southwest.
Hustle, baby.
I know you just said Bitcoin so confidently, but it is. It's Ether, the native cryptocurrency on Ethereum. It was reported 97% of all NFTs were bought using Ether.
I don't have to pay you one of my dollars.
It's actually $2, everyone. I'm Esteban.
I'm Contestaban.
That's the best Esteban. What is a gas fee, okay? A, the fee you pay for minting a digital asset into blockchain. B, a monthly fee associated with NFTs. C, the measurement of time spent creating the NFT. D, taxes you pay on food from Taco Bell.
Both A and D, really.
Okay, so you believe a gas fee is A, the fee you pay for minting a digital asset into the blockchain. You're absolutely right. This is another dollar. Look at this. Gas fees are used to compensate crypto miners for the energy required to verify a transaction on the blockchain. It provides it a layer of security. They are good investibons. That's it. Okay, which has been minted as an NFT? Is it A, a McDonald's cheeseburger?
No.
B, a Pringles flavor. C, Grime and Elon Musk's baby names. Or D, LeBron James headband.
I'm gonna go with the Pringle.
Oh my goodness. Last March,
Okay.
Pringles announced Crypto Crisp. It's a virtual flavor depicted as artwork from artist Vasya Kalatusha.
The way I know this is because my 12-year-old is obsessed with Pringles salt and vinegar.
Really?
Yeah.
You know what?
I got $4.
This is for your 12-year-old.
I am earning
You-
card cash at South by
Because of your NFT knowledge.
and my blue jacket.
We're wearing baby pastels. Who knows about NFTs? You know about NFTs? Do you know what NFT stands for? Which professional sports league became the first to get involved in NFTs? A, the Chinese Professional Baseball League.
Oh, that's a strong one.
B,
Okay.
the XFL.
Okay.
C, Major League Quidditch.
Sure.
That's Harry Potter stuff.
Ooh.
D, the National Basketball Association, the NBA.
China. The Chinese one. He's telling me. NBA.
June 2020, the NBA announced Top Shot. It's this marketplace for buying and selling NFTs of iconic NBA highlights.
Okay.
Isn't that wild?
I like that.
The highest selling Top Shot, it's a LeBron James dunk from the 2020 finals.
Go LeBron.
Sold for
Go LeBron.
$230,000.
Whoa.
That's money.
That's money.
Which of these major label musical artists was the first to release their album as an NFT? I'm gonna give you 4 options, okay? A, Kings of Leon.
Okay.
B, Beyonce. C, Fish. D, The Beatles.
The Beatles won't release anything, so it had to be Beyonce. Because who cares about Kings of Leon?
You're gonna get so many Kings of Leon heads. The KOL army. Kings of Leon, are you guys fans? Look at those people and tell them that Kings of Leon doesn't matter. So you think Beyonce?
Sure.
Audrey, I'm so sorry to tell you that it was the Kings of Leon. This is pretty cool.
Okay.
Maybe it's gonna change your perspective
Okay.
of the KOLs. Each unique token had exclusive album artwork, you got a limited edition vinyl, and you even had the guarantee of 4 front row seats to one show on every Kings of Leon tour.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can see why that's worth something to people who like to collect stuff.
Audrey, we're gonna give you $1 for humility. One of the NFTs on this board sold for $500,000.
You said one of these sold for $5
$500,000.
and we get $500,000 if we get
You
it.
know-
I really want it to be B.
Yeah, same. I was thinking
really
just
want it
because
to be B.
it's kind of
I feel like you
guessing.
drew that right before we started this.
You think I drew B right before? No, I don't think so.
Count of 3, we both say it, okay? 1, 2, 3.
C.
Whoa! The correct answer is C.
Oh,
C,
nice.
right here. This NFT titled Empathy Elephant is a part of social media mogul Gary Vaynerchuk's V Friends collection. In January of 2022, it sold for 130 Ethereum or $503,000, making it the highest priced sale from that collection. I honestly don't know how you two got it, but I did just draw that. What animal do you think this is?
Like a sock monster, maybe?
Yeah, dinosaur.
Sometimes inspiration hits you and you just follow your heart. This is $10.
Yeah.
I don't want to say that the pressure is on, but the world is watching. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna pick the right answer and I'm gonna get that $10.
So someone here is an artist that created an NFT that was bought for the most amount of money yet.
Sounds good.
Do you think that is A, B, C, or D? The
I don't
artist?
Get their names.
I'll tell you first names.
Okay.
Drake,
Drake,
Paris,
Paris,
David,
David,
and I think Matt. Mike,
Mikey. I'm gonna go with David.
You're gonna go with
because
David?
He has paint on his face.
what if you were to go in a different direction?
Is it Paris?
What if you
Plot
went
twist.
in an even different direction?
Is it Mike?
It's Mike!
Mike!
So this guy, Beeple, his NFT is titled Every Day, the First 5,000 Days, and is an NFT that he sold at Christie's auction for $69 million.
Super casual.
So now you went from thinking you didn't know about NFTs, you're walking away with $13 whole dollars.
Yeah. I feel great. I'm doing it for all the people who want to learn more. Just always know that there's always something more to learn. So if you're interested, hit up Skillshare, check out the content, and learn more.
Oh my goodness. Give her all the money.
Props,
Beeple, give her all the money.
Props, Mike.
Well, no, we can't, but
You can't
we'll
drop
gently
that mic.
place it on the ground. Gently place the mic. That's a mic drop moment. Hey, that was Do You Know Your NFTs? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you had some fun. I had a great time, and I learned a lot. And if you want to keep the learning going about NFTs or anything else, you can check out Skillshare. That's right. Learning and having fun. So click the link below and you can find out more about Skillshare. Thank you for watching. My name's Esteban Gast. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest videos.